Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve F.Sc Mathematics chapter number 3 integration exercise 3.2 question number 1 sixth part. Here the function for the integration is f of x integral under root x minus 1 over under root x whole square into dx. Here we have two terms with the whole square. First of all we will open this square and then we will integrate our function. So by opening the square of these two terms will become first term square plus second term square minus this one 2 into first term into second term into dx. We know that this square will cancel out with the square root, and also here the function becomes x because this square cancelled with under a square root, so only x will left. 1 over x, same here, minus this and square root of x and square root of x cancelled with each other, and only 2 will left here. Now this is a simple function with 3 terms and we can integrate it easily. X first term integration plus integration of second term 1 by x dx, and minus this 2 is a constant, so we will write it out of the integration. And we know that with every term we can multiply it by 1 because it is a multiplicative identity. So here 2 can be multiplied with 1 because it's a multiplicative identity. 2 is a constant, we can take it outside. Integral 1 into dx. Here we write 1 multiplied by dx because 1 is a multiplicative identity, so we can write it inside the integration, not outside. Here the power is 1, here also the power is 1, so we can use a simple formula for integration here, which is 1 the power plus the increment in the power divided by the same new power, which is 1 plus 1. Here the formula for 1 over x is natural log of x. Be remember it. This is our formula only for the x. Why? Because here is the function and here is the derivative of the function. Be remember that this is the formula for f of x is equal to integral f of x prime over f of x is always equal to natural log of f of x. Here is the function f of x and here is the derivative, because the derivative of the x is only 1. D by dx of x is equal to 1. So the derivative over the function always equal to the natural log of the function. So we can write here natural log of x according to this formula, minus 2, and the integration of 1 is x plus constant of integration. Now this will become x square over 2, this one 1 plus 1 2, plus natural log of x minus 2x plus c is our required result. This is the integration of this function. Hope so you can understand it well. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye.